I'm going to do a simple demonstration of a synthesizer breadboard. The breadboard uses a Teensy 3.6 module and the associated audio shield. It is a 1 volt per octave analog emulation synthesizer. 4 VCOs, each tuned with an encoder and an LFO. There are 2 complete sound paths, one wired to the right channel and one wired to the left, but you won't hear any difference because the camera only records mono. I don't have a keyboard attached, so I've got the pitch control voltage wired to this pot and the gate wired to this push button. The VCOs each have a harmonic control, basically shifts from a sine wave to a sawtooth to a square wave to a narrower and narrower pulse. I'm going to turn the pitch up so that you can hear that there's actually a sound on that first oscillator, but it's a sine wave at a fairly low frequency. Each has a volume knob for the right channel and a volume knob for the left channel. Each oscillator is tuned an octave above the one below, so you can hear the next octave, the next one, and the next one. Now, even with this low frequency, as I bring out the harmonics, you'll be able to hear them. There's 2 audio paths, each with its own ADSR. There's filters and a VCF and a VCA. The filter has a dB per octave control, which I'm going to turn all the way up, a resonance, and frequency. It's, as you would expect, you won't hear much with a sine wave because there are no harmonics. But with a narrower pulse, the filter has plenty of effect. So I can bring up the other octaves and fatten them up a little bit with a little bit of harmonics. You can add LFO to the filter so it modulates a cutoff frequency. And you can take the LFO and use it to sweep the frequency by applying a control voltage to the VCOs. Which also can be taken to extreme. You could also slightly detune each oscillator for some fatter effects.